Hello everybody, welcome again to Career Ride. Guys, since last some videos, I've been telling you how taking up a job is not the only way to build up your career. You can also start up, and in the process of doing so, you'll build up the career not just for yourself, but also provide employment to a lot of other people also, while shaping up the future of this country. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about another sector that is upcoming in the future. And it is one sector that is going to change the shape of this country. This is the sector of solar energy. So in today's video, we'll talk about how solar energy is going to change the shape of this country and what business prospects does it bring to you. Solar energy is a low cost and environment friendly way to generate electricity. By the year 2030, the government of India hopes to generate approximately 40% of its electricity using non-fossil fuels. And for a tropical country like India, solar energy is going to be a major avenue. As of now, India ranks 5th among solar energy countries. And as we shift more towards solar energy, numerous business opportunities will begin to present themselves before you. And if you do not want to miss upon these opportunities, it is very important that you are aware of them today. So let's take a look at 5 solar energy related business ideas that you can start up today in the market. We'll also look at the technical skills and the government trainings that you can take up to begin in this sector. So the first thing that you can do to enter this market is becoming the dealer and distributors of solar panels. See, the first step in harnessing the solar energy is to install these solar panels on the rooftops of our homes and offices. These systems are built with the help of solar panels. So the simplest thing to begin with is becoming a solar panel dealer and distributor in your area. As per the rules of Indian government, it is gradually becoming essential to install these solar systems on the rooftops of our homes and offices, particularly in smart cities. There will be a day very soon when clients will come to you with requests for these solar systems and panels. Also, the old houses that do not have solar panels today will gradually discover that by installing these systems on their rooftops, they may cut or just eliminate the total cost of electricity. As a result, they will also come to you asking for these panels. So, selling these panels could be a lucrative, futuristic, and interesting business for you in this domain. The second thing that you can do in this market of solar energy is providing installation services. If you are technically inclined, you could offer solar panel installation services. To install these solar panels, you'll require some technical skills. There is a significant gap in the skill set required for solar energy in our country and what's available. And to fill this void, the government of India offers some free training programs. We'll discuss these training programs just in a while. The next business idea here is to sell some solar products such as solar garden lights, tawa, geysers, solar light bulbs, and many other items. Many companies in India manufacture these products, and you could just collaborate with them, sell their products online and offline. You can find these companies through internet. See, when the government of India provides you the training in solar energy sector, it doesn't just expect to fill up those technical roles. It also expects that some of the people who are receiving these trainings will start up on their own. Some of these people will manufacture some solar products. So if you're a little technical and creative person, you could also come up with the solutions and provide some solar products in the market. So you see, becoming a manufacturer of these solar products could also be a startup idea for you. And when so many solar products come into the market, they would also require repair and maintenance services. So this could be your next startup idea, that is providing repair and maintenance services for these solar products. Now, here's something that I especially want to tell my women friends, and it is the solar energy training is not very technical. So don't think that there's nothing for you to do in this field of solar energy. A woman can also enter this field and provide services in the field of solar industry. The government is also promoting women candidates in their training programs. So all those women who are interested in the business of solar energy, don't get disheartened. This is a business that you can also start. And now, as promised, let us look at some training programs in the field of solar energy that are conducted by Government of India. And the first program that is conducted here is Surya Mitra Skill Development Program. This program is run by Indian government's Ministry of Renewable Energy in partnership with National Institute of Solar Energy in our country. This program is conducted in every state, and there are approximately 175 training centers located throughout the country. It is a 600-hour training program that lasts approximately 90 days. It is a residential training program, which means that the Indian government will pay for lodging, food, study, training, stationery, uniform, toolkit, helmet, and all other expenses. If you want to take up this course, you can look at the list of training centers. The link is provided in the description box below that you can go through after the video. In this list, you can try to look out for a center that is near you and contact them by phone or email to find out when this program will begin at their center and how you can participate. The selection here is based on an interview, and you can find the advertisement online as well as in local newspapers. You must be above 18 years of age to participate in this program, and your qualification should be ITI. You can be from electrical, electronic or mechanical background. But note here that engineers are not permitted in this program. Rural youth, SC/ST and women candidates are given special consideration. After the completion of the program, you are awarded a certificate. I have also provided a link to the Surya Mitra program in the description box below. You can check it after the video is over. Now, the next training program provided by Government of India in the field of solar energy is a part of country's Green Skill Development Initiative. This program is carried out with the assistance of Envis Hub, which is run by Government of India. This program is offered in the states of Sikkim, Chandigarh, Patna and Hyderabad. This training is available to both 10th grade dropouts and graduates. This is a 45-day program with 240 hours of training that includes both theory and practical training. You can even be 45 to 50 years of age to participate in this program. Again, this is a residential program with no out-of-pocket expenses. Your selection to the program will be based on an interview. If you are interested in this program, you can contact the nearest training center to find out when the next one will be conducted and how you can participate. For your convenience, I have provided the link to the programs in the description box below. After the completion of the program, you are awarded a certificate. You could become a master trainer, a business owner, or take on a job or a technical role on the completion of the program. If you are interested in this field, you should look into this program as well. So, in today's video, we saw how solar energy can be beneficial to your career also and give you opportunities to start up. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to be updated about the new things happening in the market and the new startup opportunities they provide to you, make sure that you subscribe to the channel today. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.